This guy's sounds on my bike. Burnt out Massey Ferguson baler. Hold on guys. Bit dead, I reckon. What the heck is going on with that? That's not a pretty sight. Not at all. Melted the number plate. That's absolutely nuts.